Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a white series of my negative space swipes. So I did a black one and I really loved it. So I want to try a white one. I'm going to put the paints I used in the mix at the end of the video. So let's just start. These are really tiny canvases. These are 10 by 10 centimeters. So I've got my base down. And I'm going to use this little piece of plastic. It's hard to see. And I'm going to layer my paint. And I'm going to start with my swipe color, that's white. This is titanium white mixed with water and PVA glue. And I'm going to add my colors. And I'm going to try 3 different layerings because I've got 3 colors and 3 tiny canvases, and I want to try all 3 because when I do my big swipe, I want to pick the best color combination. So for this one, I'm going to start with the green. Okay. So I've got my colors on here. Now let's swipe. So I think I've got too much base paint on it because look, there's a lot of base paint on my swiping tool and I still have a lot of color on there. Let's give it a spin, see what happens. Okay, I'm not loving how it's all breaking up. Let's do the second one. So this time we're going for gold, pink and green. Let's give this one a spin. So this is combination number 2. And here's combination number 3. I'm going for pink, gold, green, and I added a little bit more gold. And I put some more white on the tip. Let's see if that helps. So swipe number 3. So I just don't know why it's getting so much here in the middle. Because I put some of my paint on a piece of cardboard and you can see it's giving me a lovely lacing. And here I'm just missing part of it. So let's do this a little bit more the traditional way. I'm put my colors on here and I didn't put the white first. Well, at least not underneath. So let's see, because you can see the colors here. So let's try this one more time. And I hate to do this because it wastes so much paint, but I'm going to do it the traditional way. Put the white on my swiping tool. I'll rip most of the paint off. Probably shouldn't be doing this, but I'm just gonna try and swipe on top of this. Just for funsies, see what happens. I actually like this. So I'm gonna keep it. And it's giving me some ideas about the bigger one. I might, if the swipe doesn't work the first time, actually do this. So thank you for watching. I'll show you the dry results. Bye guys!